Some good news from Guelph tonight. Researchers at the university believe they may have found the possible cause and treatment for a fatal heart disorder. For more on this groundbreaking research, we go to CTV's Nadia Matos. Nadia, this work was done at the Ontario Veterinary Clinic.
It was, Nancy, and it was done on donated tissue from dogs who died from the fatal condition.
Jade is a 3-year-old Doberman Pinscher who's getting her heart checked out.
Good girl. Good girl.
Researchers are looking for a fatal condition called dilated cardiomyopathy, or DCM for short.
Which is the most common form of heart failure in humans, and it's exceptionally common in certain types of dogs like Doberman Pinschers.
Scientists at the Ontario Veterinary College in Guelph say they've identified a potential cause. Doing tests on muscle tissues from dogs who died of DCM, Glenn Pyle and his team isolated a malfunctioning muscle protein that causes the heart to weaken.
We found that they didn't perform normally in samples taken from dogs that had died of DCM.
That's what they think may have caused the fatal condition. The possible fix? Increasing the levels of a naturally occurring molecule in the heart called deoxy-ATP.
We increased its levels and found that that was able to reverse the effects of the disease in the tissue.
The work done at OVC now has Guelph researchers collaborating with other teams from Finland and the University of Washington.
Researchers say the structure of both the dog and the human heart is identical, and when it comes to the function, they are very similar. So there is real hope that the research being done at the University of Guelph on dogs can be applied to humans.
It's a small piece, perhaps, of a very big puzzle, but if we can learn as much as we can about the way these heart cells function, and then in turn what different therapies may make these heart cells function better, the hope is that that can translate into some novel therapies.
The University of Washington is focusing their research on helping humans. The OVC will focus their efforts on dogs. And that means if Jade ever gets DCM, she's got the best possible team right here in this room.
Researchers need to conduct clinical trials to be absolutely sure their initial findings are consistent. Then the next step, says Pyle, would be to develop a gene therapy. Nancy.
Fascinating. Thanks, Nadia.